I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied. I don't need you. I've got to break free.
Thank you so much for joining this ride. The theme today is heritage. That's why BMW Malaysia decided to go to Melaka. Today we just want to enjoy our ride. Okay, so be safe, don't rush, enjoy the ride.
Isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast and then we talk slow. You come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand.
Sekarang ni kita dah sampai dekat Sampang 4. Sampang 4. Lomak Salai, kita nak lunch kat sini. Tadi ride memang best. Jom lah, kita makan, dah lapar lah ni. Jom.
I may be crazy, don't mind me.
Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me.
Come on now, follow my lead.
Come on now, follow my lead.
I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Though my heart is falling too.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. It's R18, no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
1, 2, 3.
Enjoy all the meals with your biking buddies. Okay, thank you. I passed to the first set of music. Okay, thank you.
Tonight is all yours. We really appreciate all customers, especially R18 and R90. R80 and R90 are special. Thank you so much for participating. There will be more and more events soon, riding soon, with BMW or with independent dealers anywhere. So please join us. So thank you so much. Please ride safe tomorrow. Okay, so have a nice and wonderful night today. Thank you.
Stay tuned.